So to celebrate our 2,000 subscribers, we're going to give away one of these. What is up, guys? Welcome back to episode 7 of our 2013 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road truck in beautiful spruce mica, which this sucker is finally one color. We got it all painted up in the last video. We got it 100%. Check out that hood beating up the water, sprinkling the rain here today. But look at this truck. We got it untaped. We got it out of the booth. We're absolutely just thrilled with it. Let me switch the camera around and show you what it looks like. This truck is absolutely phenomenal. The color turned out great. The bodywork turned out fantastic. It is a beautiful truck, a beautiful color. It completely motivates us to keep going, to keep pushing forward, to get this truck 100% put back together. I know it's going to be beautiful. It already is. But stay tuned a little bit later in this video. We have made it to 2,000 subscribers. It's a milestone for us. We want to do a giveaway for y'all because you make it possible. Keep watching our videos. You're going to love this giveaway. Stay tuned a little bit later. We'll tell you how to get registered to win. But for right now, let's go ahead and get this truck fired up. Let's get it pulled into the shop. Let's get started putting some of these door panels back together, see if we can get this bed bolted back down. That's going to be our goal here, get some of this stuff done. So let's stop talking and let's start working. Alrighty guys, we have been working like crazy putting this truck back together. It's coming along 100%. Everything is looking really, really good. What we got here, we got a little accessory here from lastfit.com. It's their 32-inch light bar. It's single row LED. One of the brightest ones that we've saw. We've put them on our trucks before. They're probably one of the best ones that we've put on. Honestly, they're 15,700 lumens. And we're going to put it on this truck. We're not going to do a complete install video on this truck because this truck is all took apart. We want to do the stealth mode, so we put it back here behind the bumper. So we're going to do it right now. But if you will check this link, we have a 100% complete install video on a truck just like this. But these work really, really well. Like I said, they're 15,700 lumens, and they come with two sets of brackets. They come with the side brackets that go here, and the bottom brackets that hook back here at the back. They're really easy to put on. They're really easy to wire up. So while we got this truck apart, we're going to go ahead and put this beautiful light bar in. And most of you know that we have made it to 2,000 subscribers. We appreciate each and every one of you for that. So to celebrate our 2,000 subscribers, we're going to give away one of these light bars. So all you got to do to register to win is comment below light. That's all you got to do, light. You comment light and we will register you to win. Hopefully we get just a ton of comments. We'll send you out a light bar. We'll send you out a t-shirt because we do appreciate each and every one of you. So that's enough talking. Let's get back to working. Alrighty guys, we have been working like a bunch of cavemen on this truck again. It's the beautiful spruce mica that Toyota made. I love this color. I don't know if I love the color as much as I love just saying spruce mica, but it is a lovely truck. We got the front end put together 100%. Got the last fit light bar installed. Can't wait to fire up the 15,700 lumens on this light bar. And don't forget to get registered for the giveaway. We are going to give away one of these light bars. Once you run it, you will absolutely love it. So to get registered to win, comment light below, LIGHT for light, for last fit light bar. We will leave a link to the light bar down below. This last fit light bar is absolute phenomenal. If you're interested in one, you can save 15% by using the code OrangeWires15. It will save you 15% and support this channel. We do appreciate each and every one of you. We think that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. If you like the video and you like the content, drop us a like. Don't forget to leave us a comment down below. Follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. Until next time, we're out.